How to fix Google Play services keep stopping. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen, then search apps. In here you'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on app info. In here, search for Google Play services. Force stop the app. After you have done that, simply go to storage and cache, which is below permission. In here, clear cache and clear storage. After you have cleared storage, simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Google Play services keep stopping problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.